Hi friends, Sean Leonard with Housing Around AZ, part of Realty One Group. I'm excited. I get to tour this beautiful $1.1 million home with you. So it's 2,500 square foot. It is 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath. It's absolutely gorgeous. Take a tour with me. Let me know what you think of it. And if you have any questions about this house or any other house, let me know. So first off, see down the street, it is by far the nicest house on the street. Let's kind of look at the front so you can see what the front looks like. Very modern looking, very beautiful house. Here's the thing, it's 2,500 square feet. So the house is very big on the lot. See, huge doors. So you can see how big everything is. You've got the massive entrance here. So you do have the very large entrance. Again, entrance door. All the rooms have huge doors. It is 3.5 bath. So here's the living room. So when you come in, you can see the living room there. And then this beautiful kitchen. I mean, that's the marquee. Look at double cabinets basically on the top because such high ceilings. You've got that beautiful island and it's just a gorgeous kitchen. And then the flooring, everything inside is upgraded to the hilt. Again, the house is 1.1 million. This is what you're getting for 1.1 million in the Phoenix area. Now, the one thing about this area is there's not a lot of new builds because this has been built up for years. So you aren't gonna get a new house very often coming to the market out here unless they're tearing down one of the older homes to rebuild it, which again, at some point they'll probably do more of, but there's not as many of these new builds out there, unlike the outlying areas where you can find a lot of newer homes. So look at that chandelier here in the, that's gorgeous. Okay, so you come down here, we're gonna go into inside laundry. You've got cabinets there. You've got sink, garage. So you have 2 bedrooms off to this side here. And look at how tall the doors are to it. That's me standing against the door. See how much taller it is? And look at, here's the closet. Same thing, super tall doors even on the closets. That's awesome. And I'm trying to give you some perspective of size. Pretty good sized room. Now, every bedroom is connected to a bathroom. So this one has a Jack and Jill bath to the room next door. So again, you can see nice rain shower type of shower. They've got the wand, everything all the way down on there is gorgeous. Same thing with the sinks are great. Here is the other bedroom. Nice thing with these, they all come with large fans. Across to the other side, you have your primary bedroom, which is very large. How large that is. You can see they even have a full couch and room, and that's a king size bed. So this room is very large. Now, I think one of the coolest features of the house here is these barn doors, but very modern looking barn doors. And these things are also huge. And then in the closet, they also did closet decoration with cupboards and everything else. So very good in the closet. Let's check out this bathroom here. So you've got very nice countertops. Look at that shower. So you got a very large rain shower head. Then you also have the wand, just a beautiful shower. And then on top of it, you have this tub, which if you look, the tub also has a wand too. So that's pretty cool. So again, very nice overall for the decorations of the room, the upgrades. And then you do have an exit to the patio from the master bedroom. And then you come in, you do have another bedroom that this one here also has its own bathroom. So this one has its own, unlike the other two where they share it, this one does. And then you have another half bath for guests. So again, you have 4 bedrooms with 3.5 baths, and then on the outside, decent sized covered patio. See, that's kind of cool with the good there. You get a covered patio, and then right now it's just rocks. But again, plenty of room to put in a pool if you wanted to. Not a huge lot, partly because 2,500 square foot house takes up a lot of room. Hi guys, thank you for taking a tour of this beautiful house. If you have any questions about this house or any other houses, I'm happy to assist you. Again, my name is Sean Leonard. I am an Arizona real estate agent. So let me know if you'd like to tour this house or any other house, and have an amazing day.